Do freelancers need an EIN? Hey there, welcome. Are you a freelancer wondering if you need an EIN or an employer identification number? You've come to the right place. Before we answer this important question, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, EINs aren't just for traditional businesses with employees. In fact, the use of EINs among freelancers has seen a significant uptick. In 2020, there were about 59 million freelancers in the US, and that number has been growing by an impressive 5% each year. So if you're part of this rising freelance movement, let's talk about how an EIN might benefit you. An EIN is essentially your business's social security number. It's used by the IRS to identify taxpayers who are required to file various business tax returns. Now, as a freelancer, you might think, I don't have employees, so I don't need an EIN. But wait, there are reasons to consider getting one. For example, an EIN can help protect your personal information. You can use your EIN instead of your social security number on W-9 forms you provide to clients, thus reducing the risk of identity theft. Plus, it can make your life easier when it comes to banking and establishing business credit. Banks typically require an EIN to open a business bank account. And if you're considering scaling your freelance business in the future, an EIN is a definite necessity. Our organization has helped thousands of freelancers just like you to easily register for their EINs. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We understand how busy you are, which is why we take care of all the registration steps on your behalf, ensuring a seamless, hassle-free process. Our experts can handle everything from filling out the complex forms to communicating with the IRS. And don't worry about the legal jargon. We've got you covered. We simplify everything, making the process easy to understand, leaving you more time to focus on what you love doing. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a photographer, or any type of freelancer, having an EIN can open up new opportunities for your business. So why not consider it? To secure an EIN today, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the advantages of having an EIN? Is there a specific one that you particularly like? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.